Hey, Ben here from Solar N Sat. Well, it's really been satellite week in the workshop lately. With Altech Halo or Satking Promax installations booked in every day, this week we could almost be called Sat and Sat. Altech Halo satellite TV systems are great pieces of gear. They're fully automatic with easy to use one-touch operation, and they provide TV reception in 99% of the country. We had a Patriot Caravan and a Regal Caravan together in the workshop for new Halo installations. We also installed both Vast and Christian satellite decoder boxes in one, where we program the dish to tune into whichever satellite the customer needs for both of his television options. The owner of the Supreme Caravan had limited space up on his roof, so he's asked us to install the Satking Promax to his existing Vast TV. A very tidy, straightforward installation for the guys in the workshop, with the controller tucked away neatly out of sight in one of the overhead compartments. When these customers brought their Caravan by to have a new LNB fitted to their Sphere satellite system, we noticed that their solar panels were suffering from some pretty serious arcing. This meant that they were barely charging their batteries. So we replaced them with two new 200-watt Chevy solar panels, plus a new Victron controller, so now their satellite TV and their solar system are both working better than ever. Adam fitted a new 200-watt solar panel to the roof of this customer's 200 series Land Cruiser. Meanwhile, Vince installed an Altech Halo satellite system to their Jayco Journey, so their power upgrade and their TV satellite needs were both taken care of in one go. So if you're looking for a satellite TV system for your caravan or RV, come and see us at Solar N Sat Bundaberg. And don't forget, we also specialise in all mobile, solar and power needs too.